This one is a 1969 Smith-Corona Galaxie Deluxe. I'm going to show you how to use the functions and make sure they all work. It's in really nice condition. Once you hear the bell, you're at the end of the margin. Hit the line space here, skips a space. Also has double and triple space if you flip the switch up. As you can see, all the keys type nice and none of them skip. Type the sentence in red. This one has a black and red ribbon. All I have to do is switch that down to red. One type's really nice, really responsive. The print is really nice too. One of my favorite typing machines. Show you how that print looks. I'll show you how to use the rest of the functions. Has this paper tray too, so it lays a little bit flatter when you're typing. These are the margins. Set those wherever you want them. It's got a wider carriage than just one piece of paper for legal documents and whatnot. Got a backspace on the left side here. Works good. This a cool function with this machine is it has custom keys here, so you can, if you can find them, I don't know, I've never tried to look for them, but you could pop these off and put whatever you want, kind of a character you want, and the key has a removable head here, so you can put your own custom keys in. It's got one on this side too. So it's got another cool function of power space. Pretty cool. It's got a tab function. You can set tabs anywhere on the platen. Set one right where we're at. And you hit the tab button and it stops where you set it. You clear it. And now you don't have any tabs. It's got the carriage release lever on both sides here. You just depress that and it'll allow you to control carriage freely. Inside is the spool cover area. All the brand new ribbon is on this side, so it's pulling to this side, but if you want to switch it, you flip this switch here, back, and it'll start pulling to this side. As you can see, it's pulling that side, but all the ribbon's on this side, so we want it to pull to that side. Now you could, if you could see that, now pulling to this side. And that's about it. Really nice machine, now available on eBay or Etsy. Search Brooksaw Antiques.